Alrighty everybody, before the video starts here, I just wanted to hop in and mention I am sincerely sorry for the lack of videos over the last 3 weeks. I've had a heck of a time editing videos, getting videos up and just the whole 9 yards. It's been a heck of a time. With the computer that we had was extremely outdated, incapable of doing the type of editing that I wanted to do and keep it top notch for you guys. So I was finally able to invest in a better computer, a MacBook that is in front of me. So hopefully things only go up from here for you guys. But for now, hopping right into the video. And I hope you guys tune in for next week's video because I've got a ton of updates. The race cars come a far way. Also, have been getting some work done on the square body. So I hope to see you guys at the next video. But for now, let's hop right in to the live action. Behind me is going to be awesome for what you guys are about to see. I got my buddy Drew here. He's helping out with some welding on the car. Chris is pretty busy, so we got Drew out here to help us out in the welding, but you guys got to see this. I can't wait any longer. We got new lights. It's so nice, so motivating. Most importantly, what do you see? Yep, that's right. Square body is in the shop. And soon, what is on the lens? There we go. Gonna be getting some love real soon. Get Drew back out here to get welding on this son of a gun. It needs a bunch of work too, but got this whole corner cleaned up. The black Monte Carlo is gone. The Enduro car is parked. The square body is in the shop, and the Thunder car is getting a boatload of work today. So just tag into this time lapse because it's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a busy one. Alright y'all, so as you can see, it looks bad now, but it won't for long. Getting that plate on there, start running these X's. As you can see, I started cutting out the back firewall. But before we get too carried away here, that fuel tank's pump fuel. I better get that out of the way. Yeah, so it's like hard from you, like since you're not up here, it's kind of hard. A lot of in fuel cell. Oh god, almost there. Oh, my fingers. Oh, that's me. Ow! There it goes. You all right? Yeah. Oh, there she is. She's free. Oh, God. Let's put it back around. Or at least, yeah.
To go bemmer, bemmer, bemmer. You don't have
All right,
up,
ready to tack these up, dude.
You gotta switch lines here. So take your... That's E265.
All right, get these welded on. It's crazy how I was trying to find something to step on earlier. I couldn't find it.
And the heat that I'm adding to this, you'll be surprised on what will come out of this.
I need to strap a GoPro to Drew's head. Oh man, we need a high resolution camera for these welds.
Hey,
Man,
so what do you think?
Chris and Drew, man, I don't know better welders. I mean, those two guys, tell you what. Sheesh. Ain't gotta worry about them spring buckets going nowhere. Man. Man. I can't hear nothing, all the cutting and banging and slamming we're doing, but just a bit of an intermission. Got this on mitered. Got both of these pipes cut for our X, which we've already got the hole cut. Start sending those through. And boy, Welding getting it right. Some body work going on over there, just see it in the background. But anyway, we're about to get that in there and see how much angle we got. Maybe we not have to, because we ain't got the best equipment. All right, we're striving to be Greg A with his notcher and everything, but we ain't there yet. So we're gonna see what we got with that cut there, level wise, and cut what we need down there for this corner. It's gonna be a little bit tricky, no big deal. And we'll see about getting that welded in and then start running that one. As you've seen, we took the fuel cell out. Welding was getting a little sketchy because if you stood on this, you can see she just pours race gas out. That's no-no. Well, as I figured, I'll get the camera level here. Anyway, as I figured, gonna have to put a little bit more angle on it. Not a good job of doing it. think you can fill that? I know, I shouldn't have asked.
Yeah.
What do you think, Hing?
I'm thinking you're gonna go chimichang, chop a piece off.
Just like butter. The same? Same to me. So good! Oh my gosh. Dude, Drew, you can just see this thing. Dude. I'm so happy. Sunday now. Well, you guys just seen happen on Saturday, and boy, look at this. Brandon loves Holly. No, that's right. Got that plate all burnt in. Gonna do a little welding on the bottom yet, but no big deal. Got late. Got the cups in. Such a major move. Got the X bars in. And boy, they look so good. Boy, I love it. I'm so excited for this race season, man. Now that things are finally starting to come together. Not gonna lie, I was a little worried there for a little while, but I got guys like Drew and other people that are willing to help out and get things rolling. So that was a major move. But pretty much for today, all I'm gonna do is I need to get a pipe welded from spring bucket to spring bucket. Just a single pipe there. I'm gonna be using this 1 3/4. Here it is, unless one of these is perfect. Oh, look at that. Might just use that. Anyway. Heck yeah, Saul. So like I said, so we're gonna go ahead and weld that in there. Need to get a measurement for a new fuel cell because as you guys seen, we pulled that out last night. And I just don't know nothing about it. It's peeling apart. Don't know. Don't trust it. Don't want to trust it. Don't want to have a fire. Nothing like that. So we're going to get that measured up and get a new fuel cell ordered. Get that pipe welded in. And get this plate finished welded in, hopefully get our seat mounted, a little bit of welding here we're going to be doing, and get the rear end in. So see how far we can get on it. Went ahead and got that welded in side to side. Put my initials on it, because why not? That way everybody can know whose is the crappy welds and who has the good welds here, Drew. Gonna move on to finishing welding this side plate in. I just gotta say, I am sorry for the way this video is going. It is here, there, it's been a crazy video. But, so I decided I'm not gonna mount the seat right now because A, the seat that we have, although it's an identical seat that I'm gonna be mounting in the race car, it has some different holes drilled in it. So I'm gonna try and use the factory holes that the seat comes with. So we'll wait to get the seat mounted and weld these bars in once we get our seat in. But for now, we got all this welded in. The rear's basically done. We're just waiting on the fuel cell now to hopefully get everything welded up back there, get it painted up, get the rear end in, which we're also not doing in this video. But we're freaking hopping over to the dash now. We got enough sheet metal. You guys may or may not have heard me mention before, hopefully you guys can hear me, the grinding going on, but I have mentioned before that I want to change this out. I don't really like how bubbly it is. I kind of want like a square dash, but we're gonna go ahead and just take it out of there and just do it. I think we got enough time to just knock it out, so let's get to it. Goodbye. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video of us working on the race car. I know it was all over the place, it was wild, but man, we got so much done and we were just trucking along. I ordered a new fuel cell and buddy's revving the truck at the Texas Roadhouse now. Had a hard weekend. We're gonna grab some grub and get back at it next weekend, but just wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in, man. The race car is taking off. We're getting a ton done. Like I said, ordered a new fuel cell, the new seat in the right size is on its way. So just stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video. It's coming real soon, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.